Mercedes-Benz. Now, Mercedes has a unique 4 bolts pattern when it comes to mounting them on plates. And what's very common is, especially in Victoria, we've got these small plates. As you can see, way too small for the mounting points. I'm gonna show you how to get this on the car using our bracket system. Let's get into it. So these are the plates we'll be fitting on the GLE 53. As I said before, the plates are way too small. So obviously you need something that's going to be bigger than the plate to reach the holes, yet be able to mount the plate on without drilling anything. This is what this bracket's for. So this is a Mercedes rear blanking plate. And what this does is it has the Mercedes mounting holes designed into the bracket. So this goes on first, which then gives you new mounting points that line up with your number plate like that. So all you got to do is bolt this straight to the car, and this straight to the bracket with covers if you want to, and you're done. And that's how you get on little plates on a Mercedes-Benz that has the 4 mounting points on the back. We do have other products to suit different style of plates across the states. So just let us know if you need help with it, and I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.